Hey, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist. I had a friend of mine send me a message, said, Teddy, can you show me some ideas of how I can use LinkedIn to post jobs? And so I know specifically of two ways you can post jobs on LinkedIn, and I want to show you what they are. So first of all, I'm logged in as myself, and I'm on my company page. You can see right here, it says I'm in admin view. When you're in admin view, you have admin tools. Under admin tools, you have post a job. When you go to post a job, it kicks you over into another area of LinkedIn. I got to sign in. So in here, you now have 3 steps. Step 1 is what job do you want to post? So you tell the job, you fill this out as succinctly as you can. And a suggestion, this is a job description on social media. So don't post it like a job description you would on Indeed or Simply Hired. Make this interesting. Make it intriguing. Make it a marketing document focused to the people that you're looking to hire. Put all the skills in you want to have. You can up to 10 skills. How would you like to receive applicants? You can get it, via email. You can have them directly go to the job site and apply. LinkedIn recommends email. Not sure what this, I think this shows up on the job application. I'm not 100% sure. Now I can continue. Then I can have questions if I want to, or I can ignore the questions I want to. Hit continue. Step 3 is to set your budget. You can set your daily budget. You can leave it open until you fill the job, or you can decide until it reaches your total budget, and you can set a total budget right here of some number that you want to set. The smaller the number you put, the higher the daily, the less it runs. They're recommending 690, running for at least 11 days. Of course, that's probably based on their revenue projections themselves, but it might make sense to do that if depending upon the role you're trying to fill. You can also lower this a little bit more, and then you can also lower this a little bit more. You can see the more when I lower my daily, it lowers the expected total budget. So once you get it set for the daily and the total budget that you want, then you hit proceed to checkout. And that's where you got to give it your credit card so that you start paying for this ad. The second way you can post jobs on LinkedIn is that you can, again, from your company page as an admin, you can start a post and you can select share that you're hiring. So when you hit share that you're hiring, this creates a job post. Now, it's not the same kind of job post that you see when you pay for it, because this job post is going to pretty much stay in your company page. It won't go anywhere else unless you share it outside of your company page. So you fill this out, job title, location, employment type, job description. Again, remember, this is social media. Make this job intriguing and interesting. Make it marketing. And then once you fill this all out, then you can click done. It'll post this job post that you're hiring on your company page. The third way that you can post a job on LinkedIn is go to logged in as yourself or from the LinkedIn homepage, not your company page. Click on Start a Post. You'll see that you have share that you're hiring. It's going to pretty much be the same thing, except in this case I get to pick the company I'm working for, and it'll be the exact same post that I had from the company page. And once I have it filled out, then I can hit done. I'm going to do this to show you. And you can see that on my personal news feed, I'm going to have the ability to share this. This is going to land on my company page, but I have the ability to share this so I can tell more of a story. I call this the editorial section. You can tell more of a story, what you're looking for, and who to contact regarding this position. And then I can hit post. So again, I'm doing a post from Teddy Burriss personally to LinkedIn. So it's show up for all of my connections to see. But it's going to be a company page job post. If I click on this, it's going to go to the jobs section of LinkedIn. It is not the full job post, which means it's not going to get shared. If I go to jobs and I look for Burriss Consulting, Greensboro, Winston, There's no matching jobs because it's not a full-blown job posting on LinkedIn. You're not going to see Burriss Consulting in here anyway. All of these are fee-based paid postings. So again, this posting here, it is a job post. It's just not going to show up as it would if you were to pay for a job posting on LinkedIn. But it looks the same, feels the same. You know, I could have built that text out more relevantly. And then, you know, they have the ability to save it, apply for it, or go look at me. Again, I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist. There's 3 ways for you to post a job on LinkedIn. 1, company page. Go to admin options and select post a job and do a fee-based job posting. Second way is to, from a company page, start a post, share that we're hiring, fill it out. It'll look similar to the fee-based ones. It just won't have the reach on LinkedIn and beyond that the fee-based job postings have. Third way to post a job on LinkedIn is from the home page as an individual, share a post, click on share that you're hiring, create a job post for your company that you select, fill it all out, save it, put an editorial in there, share it with your network. That too will look and feel like a regular LinkedIn job posting, except it won't have the reach that the fee-based ones have. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer, and I hope this is helpful.